Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ke sangma mentakasngi ula pelat ya ki boskul belatip kum ke shared school bus system. Bat hakaju kapor ula Plie perdaru ya ka prime tourism vehicles bat ka prime agriculture response vehicles Lyngba ka sustainable transport and efficient mobility society STEMS haplau jong ka state central library. U Konrad ula shongru ha ka bos haringkat baru MLA Barim uba Mahendra Rapsang.
No man's adventure and Halatinra equal to
So these kind of plans are all in the pipeline. So obviously STEMS is one part of that, but it is a major part, and I'm happy to see that it has taken off well. A lot of planning and effort has gone into it. It has been designed very much tailor-made to the needs of Shillong City and to the needs of the stakeholders. So therefore, we expect that this program will run successfully because the planning was done in a very, very detailed manner. And there's a very, very strong team that is behind this, working on it.